Collections are folders for your spectra, and you can use them to organize the measured data. The first step is to create a collection, then you can save data into it and export it. Step 1. Go on My Collections. Open your Matoha app and select My Collections from the home page. You can also access it from the side menu, the 3 horizontal bars on the top left corner. Step 2. Create a new collection. Press the green plus button on the top right corner. Step 3. Name your collection. Type in a name for your new collection and select the type of machine you have. You can create more than one collection, and create collections for both Fabritel and Plastel. Click on the green Add button. This will create your collection, which can then be found in My Collections. Deleting a collection. Collections can be deleted if required. Open the collection you want to delete and press the blue I button in the top bar. Here you will be able to see the details of your collection. To delete the collection, press the Delete Collection button.